Have you ever considered how much water it takes to enjoy a simple cup of coffee? It's not just the 200 milliliters in your cup. In fact, the total water consumed in the process of producing it amounts to an astonishing 140 liters. That's right, 140 liters of water for just one cup of coffee. This figure brings us to the concepts of water footprint and virtual water. Think of the water footprint as a multi-dimensional indicator. It doesn't only measure the volume of water used, but also the type of water, whether it's green, blue, or gray, and when and where it's used. It's a comprehensive look at how much water is directly and indirectly consumed to produce a unit of product. Now let's move on to virtual water. It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a very real and important concept. Virtual water refers to the hidden water content in products. It's used to represent the amount of water that is embedded in the production of goods and services. So when a country imports or exports a product, it's also virtually importing or exporting water. With the world's freshwater resources being limited, we need to look at the sustainability of our water footprints in a wider context. Just as it's short-sighted to ignore energy consumption in oil-rich countries, it's equally unwise to overlook water pollution in regions where water is abundant. Wasting or polluting water in water-rich areas is a concern, just like wasting energy in oil-rich countries. Producing water-intensive goods in water-rich regions can reduce the need to use water in areas facing water scarcity. Therefore, assessing the sustainability of water footprints is more than just looking at whether a water footprint has immediate local impacts. It's now widely accepted that estimating the sustainability of the total water footprint in a geographical region is different from estimating a water footprint. Finally, we come to a question that should concern us all. Is our water footprint sustainable? The water footprint of a consumer equals the total water footprints of the products they consume. Hence, the answer depends on the sustainability of the water footprints of the consumed products. Rarely is it a single process, product, producer, or consumer's water footprint that causes the water scarcity and pollution problems we face. Without knowing the sustainability of products, we cannot assess the sustainability of producers' or consumers' water footprints. So what can we do? It's simple, yet challenging. Be more mindful of your water footprint. Consider the water footprint of the products you consume and make choices that are more sustainable. Remember, every drop counts and every choice matters. Let's strive to leave a smaller water footprint on our planet.